So, hey sister, welcome to Bhagalpuri Textile. So, today we have this pure semi silk tissue linen sari here. This is in Banarasi weave, we call, and you can see the texture of the fabric. This is very good quality and budget friendly semi tissue silk sari. So, wait, I'm just opening this sari and showing you the full view of this sari. So, wait. So, here this is the full view of this sari, and you will get this broad woven design of this zari here. This is 11-inch in measurement, and you can see the texture of the fabric. This is very soft and good quality. And here's the anchal, and in anchal you will get this gida. Okay. Also, in this sari you will get this running blouse piece. So here's the full view of this sari. So if you want to buy this sari, then you can DM us. And for this kind of video, please subscribe and follow our page. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.